Hello everyone, my name is Preeti Gupta and today we'll discuss one of the series, another tutorials and another topic also. So let's start. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, wait for a second. So before I'm sharing my screen, in the previous tutorials we will discuss about we will implement on XML's configurations, right? And we discuss about Spring Container working also. Okay, so today we will implement on that Java-based configurations. Okay, so let's do the code and I will explain each and every dance that time. Okay. So let's do that. I'm setting my screen. Okay. Okay. I already opened my Eclipse. Let's do together. You also open your Eclipse. Okay. And do the code. Simple. We just create a simple Java files, Java project, new, other Java project, next. Okay. Spring Java based configurations. Okay. Next. Finished. Okay. So in the previous tutorials, we discuss about what using XML configurations, right? So at the last, we also see the difference between what Java-based configurations and also we see the XML-based configurations. Okay. Yeah. So similar first, I add the jar files first of all. Then we do that. Okay, so we just go to the menu and we select build path, configure build path, and okay, there is not there. Again, we added jar libraries, use libraries, spring jars, finished. There is there. Let me check. Yeah, yeah, there is already added on this library. Okay, click on apply and close. That's it. Okay. And yeah, we added our jar files. Okay. Let's create simple Pojo class. We go to the new. First, we create packages similar as in the previous bins. Inside this, we create Pojo class, new class similar as student. Okay. And finished. Simple. Yeah. And simple. I added some properties, means some variables. So name, yeah, a string, email, and student some roll number. Okay, it's an integer, right? Number. Yeah, that's it. We create a three properties. Okay. Yeah. Then we generate get and setter method. Simple. We just go to the right click source and click on generate getter and setter method. Select all and generate. Click on generate. That's it. Yeah, we done our create a project class. Simple. Click on save. We save it. Okay. So in the previous tutorials, we create a project class. Simple like that. Here we create a project class. Simple, right? Difference is what we create a configure path. We create a XML files. Okay. But right now we create a Java-based configuration. How we do that? Let's see. We just click on src, new class, and we change packages. Name is what? Configure, and configurations. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so this is the our configurations. So how Java know this is a configurations files? We just write like annotations using configurations. Simple. Okay, no, no, no. At the rate configurations. What is it? Okay, you just okay. We added configurations. Why? Because in Java, know that this is the configurations file. Okay, that's why we annotate as a configurations. Okay, we use it. I don't know in my files something Eclipse is there like false like Spring packages and some classes, and then their configurations files are there. So don't be panic that time. Okay, it's normal. So yeah, we create a configurations file. Simple. Yeah, we go to the this. We create a what? Beans. So in Java file, how we create a beans? So in Java file, we create a beans using beans annotations. How we do that? See, I written something in XML. Sorry, wait for a second. Yeah. So in XML configurations, in XML based Spring configuration, we use bean tag to define beans in XML configurations. But in Java-based configuration, we use method annotation with at the rate bean to the define beans. Like we use annotations. We use annotation that time. That times we our class will be like class create a beans object. So what is the difference between in difference between XML and Java-based? We use tag. We create a tag. Then we create a tag inside tag. We mention some properties and values also. And then they create a beans object. But in Java-based configurations, we use method annotation like using method annotations to define some beans, and they create a what bean object similar like that. Okay, simple. So let's create and we move to the again this one. Okay. Yeah, so I just deleted points. Move to the clips. Yeah, we go to the this one. Okay, and simple we create a one method public. Just one. Okay. Yes, so simple. Uh, they create a which class beans? A student class beans, right? So simple. I also create a student class bean because our for the class name is what? A student, and they given some id name std id. Okay, simple. And inside this we use bean annotation. Then Java know, okay, they are creating a beans method. What? Okay, wait for a second. Yeah, that's it. Add some returns also. Yeah. So they create a what? They create, so this line similar as a go to the brains, and the similar they line in previous tutorials, like we inside this, we inside class we mentioned package name and some classes. So simple that I same as uses same work. Okay, student and their names also. Okay, similar like that. And inside this, we added some property. Then inside I added some properties also. Okay, yeah. So how to add some properties? To we use simple set string. Okay, so as student I create a student object, then std equal to new student. Inside this I set value std dot set name. Name is what I use is Preeti. Okay, std dot set emails. Let's say I given Preeti at the rate gmail.com. Okay, std dot set roll number. Let's say one. Okay, and we return as a std. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, wait for a second. Okay. Mm, okay, what is the run that? Uh, Syntax error insert to complete return a statement. Okay, I already used return. Uh, Let me check. Return std. Yeah. Sometimes I don't know what is occurring on that. So yeah, this is the reference. First, in XML file, we create a bean annotations. Sorry, bean tag. Inside bean tag, we mention packages plus what class name. Okay, and we have given some ID, and the ID similar as in this form. We uses annotation bean annotations, and this bean annotation create a student class object, and these are the student class name. means their ID, similar as their configurations, like XMLs. Okay, this one. Okay, and inside this I use a properties tag, and then property tag I pass some values and their names, right? Same as I create a object, which class object we get this. Then I create a student class object, and then we pass the value using set name method. Okay, and inside this we return their values, std, whatever they stored on this variables. So, no, not say variable reference, and we return some reference, object reference. Okay, yeah. Uh, let's so after that we done configurations and projects. So these configurations, how to generate their configurations, like how to generate to get their values. So we just use a main class. We create a main class. Inside main class, we generate their values. Okay. So yeah, class in dot previous dot main. Inside this, I uses main and selected this. Similar as previous one. Inside main, we uses C. Inside main, we use a configure location, and we pass their location address, right? And use application context, we use new class application context interface and implement their class using class path XML. But right now we use a annotations XML applications context. Okay, in XMLs, say, I think yeah, oh, yeah, you know what, I just please um be attention. So in XML we use this class path XML application context. Okay, but in Java based configuration we use annotation XML context. Let's see how we will do that. Application context equal to new annotations configure application context, and their value will be what? We can say that a string packages. Okay, we can see a string means their packages. Okay, which packages? Whatever the configurations are class based on that. Okay, we see, and inside we uses their file's name. Okay, we use it that in, sorry, inside. Okay, yes. So yeah, let's do. So inside this, we uses uh, configuration. I change their name. I use Spring configurations. Okay. Where is this? Yeah, Spring configure file. I said. Okay. Let's rename the file name. Yeah, and just copy and go to the where. Yes, sorry, main. Which main? Yeah, this one, and paste it. And we create a class base, right? So we use a class. That's it. Okay. Okay, I am mistake something because I this is the class base, so we don't need annotations. Yeah. So again, I mistake. It's a small class. Yeah, that's it. Yes. So simple. In this form, we get the ID, right? Using this same as this form. We uses contest dot getWin and what is the ID on that? Similar. We uses its name, their name. Okay, simple. And their return types is what? Their return types is object. Then we create object. Uh, std equal to I needed typecasting. So inside this I typecast student. Okay, that's it. Then we display the method. So I want to be go to the student files. I want to create some method. Okay, know this one. Where is my class? Yeah, this I create a one method. Name is uh, public void display output. Okay, simple. Then see so I needed name. I needed email. Okay, and roll numbers also. Roll number. That's it. Let's call it. Oh, let's call it in std dot display output. That's it. Let's run the code. Let's check anything I'm wrong. Okay, nothing is okay. I just close all the files. Okay, okay. So have you okay. Something errors has been occurred. So what is error is that? Error is what? org/spring framework slash AOP target source. So I want to need a AOP jar files. Okay. I want to be a what? AOP jars files. So let's download it and then again we run the code. Okay. Yeah. So go to the browser. Where is my browser? Yes. We download Spring AOP jar. We click on first website link and whatever we download in latest version previous tutorials, we download same as I download this one. So I choose this and we go to the similar as this. I download this one. Yeah. Okay. So what we do, I just go to the download. I copy these things and inside where is my um yes, this one, right? src in pages configure no this oh no no where is my spring libraries. Okay, we just copy and we want to do that also. This time this no no this one is not good. We go to the configure path again the configure inside this. Okay, add it uses libraries, add external jar files inside this. Okay, first I want to be a copy. Okay, wait for a second. Copy these things. Yeah, copy and I want inside this jar file because all the jar files is there. Yeah, and then I chooses AOP and yeah, I'll added it. Yeah, so I already added. Where is my AOP? This one, right? This one. Yeah. Okay, let's run the code again first. Apply and close. Oh, wait. Apply and close. Finished. That's it. Let me check again. Yeah, already there. Apply, apply and close. So APS already there. Let's run again. Run as Java applications. Yeah, we get the values. Okay. So we do that in multiple times also. We create in multiple objects similar as this. Like we create a annotations with similar object. We create a multiple object similar as we in Java based configuration. We create a multiple object also like this one. This is a std1. Okay, similar as to also to std. Let's I annotate with std1. This is std2. Okay, and okay, I see std1 and std1 one. Oh, I'm so sorry. One one and return std1 and I change some name like Priya and Priya at the rate and the roll number is 2. Okay, let's run again. Let's check it's working or not. Okay, something no mean base std id is available. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So this is the std, my mistake. So this is the std1. Just confused. Std1 and similar as I call a oh This is 1. This is std2 and st1. Okay, let's run the code. First, we save it and run the code. See, we create a two object. Okay, so this is the process of. So we see what we'll discuss about. We discuss about in XML files we use in annotations tag, and inside annotation we use properties tag also. Okay, so this line we create a student class object. Similar as this line we create a student class object. Okay, oh sorry, this line simple. And inside in Excel, inside we use it in properties tag, but inside this we use it in um through object student object we uses in set method. Inside set method we uses set name, set emails, and set roll numbers. Okay, so this is a reference on that. Similar as in main, we uses in Java based, we use in annotation configure application context, but in um XML based we use in XML. uh, just open, yeah, see, we use in class path XML configuration context. Inside this we uh, pass configured locations. Okay, this one similar as I also pass as configured locations. Our configured location is what? Java class. So that's why I pass it simple as their name and our class, dot class, because I create a class, right? Java class. Yes. And simple. Nothing is different. So yeah, that's all. So tomorrow we'll discuss about annotations, and there's a different types of annotations in Spring MVCs. So yeah, please connect with me, and if you have any doubt, any query, please let me know, and please comment on chat box also, and please don't waste your time. Keep learning, keep motivating, and yeah, if you like our channels, please like and subscribe our channel. That's all. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day.